How to cut audio in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you the ways to cut audio in Capcut. In order to cut audio in Capcut, you first of all log in. Then you could go ahead and import a new project. Let me just go with this one and click the add button. Now that I've already added the video, and if you want to go ahead and add audio, or let's say music, then press the add audio button, go to sound, and here you could go ahead and find it one. So click the plus button. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this one. So if you want to go ahead and cut or split the audio, what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and place the cursor. You can see this long cursor or green line. You just have to place it in a correct position where you want to actually cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it right in this particular video section. So I'm going to go ahead and press the split button. Now that it is already selected, and you need to find the ending. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and cut it till this part. So I'm going to go ahead and place the cursor right over there and click on the split button. Here you can see this has been a different video. Now if you want to go ahead and erase it, just split the bin icon, and as you can see that the audio has been cut. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.